Hello students, this is Sahana, your teacher for the session. Look at the question, what are the different ways by which modern agriculture and industrialization leads to biomagnification? So let's understand what biomagnification is. So that's nothing but the increase in the concentration of any chemical or accumulation of the chemicals in the higher trophic level. So just look at this image, you could see the concentration of DDT increasing from one trophic level to the next higher trophic level. In the higher trophic level here, it is the maximum, that is 25 ppm. You can see initially it is 0.04 ppm, then 0.52 ppm, then it comes up to 25 ppm. So look at the definition of biomagnification, which is otherwise called biological magnification. It's a process by which certain chemicals accumulate in living organisms to a greater concentration in successively higher trophic levels of the food chain. So look at the question once again. What are the different ways by which modern agriculture and industrialization leads to biomagnification? So in the question they are asking us, how exactly modern agriculture and industries are causing biomagnification? So in modern agricultural practices, okay, they tend to use the chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Okay, chemical fertilizers and pesticides. So fertilizer is the one to enhance the fertility of the soil, whereas pesticide is the one to protect the crops from the pest. So when these chemicals are sprayed onto the field, agricultural field, it can lead to nutrient leaching. Okay, the chemicals that are present, they can leach into the deeper layers of the soil. Now, surface runoff of these chemicals, it can be of the pesticide or even the fertilizers. Okay, the surface runoff leads to water pollution. The chemicals, okay, that are there on the agricultural field, because of the surface runoff, they can enter into the water field, causing water body, causing eutrophication. So what is eutrophication? That's the nutrient enrichment that happens in the water body. Too much of nutrients, okay, in the water body, it can lead to algal blooms. Okay, that's very dangerous too. Okay, eutrophication. Apart from that, it enters into the food chain of the aquatic life, thereby harming the aquatic life. It contaminates the drinking water, it affects the coastal areas, and also causes soil degradation, especially because of the nutrient leaching that happens. The chemical leach, okay, not exactly nutrient, the chemicals of the fertilizers and the pesticides, if they get into the deeper layers of the soil, they can cause soil pollution too. Okay, and then the industry is let off. Okay, the chemicals that are being used in the industries, if they are let out into the water, this is also, how exactly the chemicals enter into the aquatic life, the food chain in the aquatic life. And the chemicals can also be released from the industries into the atmosphere. Okay, once these chemicals enter into the food chain, just like I showed you in the image earlier, in this particular image, they can slowly increase in concentration in every trophic level, causing biomagnification. Thank you.